Hello, I am Chemose. Today, two forces are pulling in opposite directions: Trump's trade tensions with China and the Fed's dovish messages. So which one is the market listening to? Last night, the picture was clear. Trump's statements made headlines and trade tensions touched the nerves of the markets. Although supportive signals such as interest rate cuts and halting balance sheet reduction were present from the Fed side, geopolitical trade headlines overshadowed these messages. The S&P 500 closed the day at 6,644 points, down 0.16%. The Nasdaq 100 closed at 24,579 points, down 0.09%. Banks were positive, technology was weak. In the S&P 500, support levels are at 6,600 and 6,539, with resistance at 6,700 and 6,800. In the Nasdaq 100, supports are at 24,250 and 23,900, with resistances at 24,770 and 25,000. The petrol side is clear. Brent, due to fears that oversupply and trade tensions will dampen demand, has approached its 5-month low. Gold, driven by safe haven demand, reached a daily high of 4,180, closing above 4,017. However, short-term overbought signals may trigger profit-taking. Nearby resistance levels are 4,180 and 4,200, while key support zones are 4,017 and 3,183. Silver accelerated with high beta. Spot close was approximately 51.8. Silver also has supports at 51.4 and 51.7, with resistances at 53.5 and 53.6 respectively. The dollar index is slightly higher. EUR/USD appears fragile, testing support around 1.15, 1.16 below short-term averages. Yesterday, we saw a sharp decline in BIST 100 led by banks. The index closed at 10,318, a drop of 2.27% in a critical zone. If this level holds, there is a possibility of a short-term double bottom, but if it doesn't, a lower support zone around 10,300 could come into play. The USDTRY is gradually rising. Support is around 41.70, with resistance bands at 41.90, 42. In Turkey, the calendar is busy. Treasury, central bank communications, credit rating expectations, and balance sheet guidance will be decisive in pricing. In summary, the headline regime continues. Will trade tensions dominate, or will Fed signals of easing take precedence? This content is not investment advice. If you liked it, like the video, subscribe, and comment. Who has the headline, trade or Fed? I will feature the best comments tomorrow.